Last Saturday's rugby teams battled it out in our second round of the New Sevens Rugby Series. Once again, 5 teams took the field hoping to change their placings from the last tournament 2 weeks ago. Abasele and Hikutamaki kicked off games just after 1 p.m. Alofi met their match in the team from Tuapa, finishing with a tie with 5 points each. Hikutamaki stepped up their game, scoring their first points in the tournament and going on to beat Hakupu by a narrow margin, a definite improvement from the last time these teams met. Alofi and Tuapa tied for first with 9 points, Abasele in second with 5 points, Hakupu and Hikutamaki tied for third with 2 points each. The overall placings with both round 1 and 2, Tuapa is still in the lead, followed closely by Alofi, Abasele in third, Hakupu in fourth, and Hikutamaki in fifth place. Yesterday's news reported that a player that was red-carded during one of the games will not be able to play the rest of the series. However, according to Secretary General of New Rugby Union Dalton Tangilangi, the player red-carded was only disciplined for that one game. He is still eligible to play the next tournament. The next tournament is scheduled for next Saturday.